Alright. Got our steering box back from Advantage, looking amazing. I'm gonna put her back in, Monique. Alright, we wrestled in our steering box, which wasn't too bad. Got it up and in, put it on the stud, set the bolts in, tightened everything up, good to go. And we got pitman arm here. Just pop that baby on. Look pretty good. Styling. Problem solved. Alright, we've got steering coupler on the box. Little beat, bang, and prod. She's on, so we're going to be putting the roll pin in now. Alright, so the melty is so bad. Wes is going to need to trim that back a little bit, just so we can put our connectors on it and hook it up, because no one's got those ends.
This one ain't too bad.
Yeah, that one we should be all right. Oh yeah, there is multiples in all those, huh?
Except for one.
Fun. All right, I was gonna grab the tool for that too. Let me grab that. All right. Let's start trimming. All right. What do we get?
So it was so melted that I did this, and it cracked.
Oh, it's like splicing itself.
Yeah.
Nice.
Pretty
Stripping itself.
Pretty sweet. We'll go back here.
Fun. Yeah, don't go back too far because that's got to reach.
Yeah.
All right, Wes has got the wiring all nice. Looking good. All right. Ooh, I hear the blow motor. There's
Low.
Yay! All new connectors, all freshy fresh. Looking good. All right. Busy morning so far in Miss Monique. We've made our lead for our clock. We've been checking, put our column all back together actually. We were checking for continuity for our dome light, because we've been having a little problem with the dome light not doing its thing. So we've chased all down through here, checked it. We have continuity across between the door switches. All the yellow, which we have discovered to be ground, has continuity all the way up to the switch. Our pink has continuity down to here, and then it gets a little sketchy after that, because we do not have continuity at our pink up here on our headlamp switch, which is where it draws from. So we're going to set our column up here, get everything kind of where it needs to be, and then test. Wesley's on the brain's working today. He's thinking electrical. I kind of like it.
I got zapped today. I'm feeling good.
Oh, he got zapped already? Oh, he's good. Now we know why his brain's working. He's wired for sound.
Yeah, I can see.
Wes is in cluster hell right now.
Hell yeah.
How you feeling? Upside down and on fire?
Yeah.
Nice. Beautiful. Okay, we gotta be extra careful with the clusty. But other than that, man, looking good. What do you need? What are you looking for?
My spinner in there.
Your spitter? And it was in here.
Is that it right there?
No, it's on the table. I'll go get it. Everything's been tested. We had a little freak out because the wipers quit working. But then we're like, oh wait, it grounds through the top here. Fun. So, cluster's going in. Once it's mounted up again, we'll give everybody a gander. Show everybody that everything's working. Fun. Arcing.
What you sparking on?
All right.
Oh, what a treat.
Lights on. Gas gauge going up. Headlights working. Dome light. We're gonna work on that. Washer wipers. Washer pump work. All right. Nope. Reach under there. It came off probably. All right. Cluster's all in. Everything's working. We did resolve our, what was that, our flashers that weren't flying? Something wasn't flying a second ago.
Wipers.
Oh yeah, wipers and all that. But it all works. We'll demonstrate that again. Wes is getting the AC controls mounted up. And then it's time for the radio.
I found it.
The radio. Radio! Whoa, whoa, whoa. Here's the blower motor. Beautiful. Sorry. Flashers. Wipers. Washer. Headlights. We gotta work on our cluster lights, which is our next step after we put the radio back in. Gotta test all the wiring.